Hello, guys, and welcome to our series. Your site is officially live. Nice work. However, the work doesn't stop there. What use is a good site when no one knows about it? That's why in today's video, we're going to be talking about ways you can promote your site. Let's dive into it. Local search dominance. When clients search for your service locally, you must appear immediately. That's where Google Business Profile or GBP comes in. Log into your Google Business profile or create one if you haven't yet. This is how you show up on Google Maps. Also, update the link. First thing you must do is update the website link on your GBP to your new Wix URL. This directs all local search traffic straight to your new booking page. And encourage reviews. Ask every client to leave a review on your GBP. High review scores make clients click your link instead of a competitor's. Harness the power of social media. Your existing audience needs to know they can now book instantly online. So, use your social media presence to let them know. Create a stunning post using one of your best photos, and your message should be clear. Make sure that the link in your bio and the post copy leads directly to your online bookings page, not just your homepage. Try running a promo. Offer a launch day special discount code for the first 50 people who book online. This helps you drive immediate traffic and teaches clients to use the new system. If you're also ready to invest, you can try Facebook ads. This is a highly effective way to target new local clients who don't yet follow you. Next, set your goal. Don't boost a post just for likes. Your campaign goal should always be traffic or conversion. Target locally. Set your ad audience to people who live within a small radius of your business address. You can also target demographics who have shown interest in your niche. And also, your ads button text must be action driven, like book now, for example, and the link must lead directly to your Wix services page. You have to remember that every dollar you spend on the ad should lead straight to a booking. The goal is to spend money to get a client, but avoid the much higher commission fees of other booking platforms. And finally, we have offline marketing methods. So you can bridge the gap between your physical space and your online presence. You can create a QR code and include it on your business card, flyers, posters, etc. And there you have it. Those are just a few ways you can promote your site. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.